Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to give you a walkthrough on how to do a quick search for the right university and program of your choice which will fit apt for your career growth. Let's start with the university search. University search will give you access to about 4 lakh plus universities which you can explore, share and apply to those universities. To go to this option of university search, first go to the menu, sign into the application. Click on the menu icon and expand in the master search to find the option of university search. Clicking on the university search, you will be directed to the next page where you can select your level of degree, bachelor's or the master's or PhD or diploma. Then input the country name, program name of your choice and click on the search button to view all the universities offering the selected program in the selected country as per your degree. Here, you can view important details about the university like entry requirements, deadlines, application procedures, tuition fee, application fee waivers, scholarships availability, location, job prospects, ranking and research funding. If you have logged in as a student, you will be able to share these results with your mentors or alums through WhatsApp, Facebook, Insta, email by clicking on the share button below each of the university. You can also favorite any of the universities for your future reference. We also provide you information on various documents which are required to apply for each of the university by clicking on the doc button. By clicking on sort button, you can sort the universities as per various parameters like GPA score, ranking of the college, acceptance percentage, deadlines, tuition fee, application fees. You can also filter universities as per your requirements by clicking on the filter button where you can filter on the basis of academics, prerequisites and financials. For instance, if I want to view the universities which do not have any application fee, then I'll go to the Finance tab, I'll select the scale to 0 and tap on the Apply. System will redirect me to the next page to show me only those universities where the application fees is null. Moving ahead, if you are looking for details regarding programs offered by many specific university, then you can go for the feature called as Program Search. To go to the Program Search page, go to the menu, expand the master search and then tap on Program Search. On the next page, you have to select the level of degree and then input the university name of your choice. Clicking on search button, you will be directed to the next page where you can view all the programs which are offered by your selected university. This feature is extremely useful when you have chosen a university and you like to deep dive into the various programs offered by the university. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you.